welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Shandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing something that's going to make you feel good, and that is we're going to be working out. Working out is very good for you because the number one thing I think is great that working out does for you is it boosts your mood by raising the endorphins. So we're going to do that today. And the cool thing about today's workout is a simple beginner's workout. You don't need any equipment, so that's not an issue. All you're going to be needing today is some water, a space to move around, and a great attitude. And I will be using some light weights in the video, but if you don't have them, that's okay. And I will be using a resistance band, but I'll show you some modifications without using the equipment. So if you got those three things, great attitude, a space to move around, and some water, let's go ahead and get this party started.
So first we start off by working the biceps, and that is the muscle in front of the arm. We'll be doing a bicep curl. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your elbows are tucked in nice and tight, but they are relaxed, and you're going to do a full range of motion. And we're going to be doing 3 sets, 12 reps each. For the sake of the video, I probably won't do the full 3 sets on camera, but just so you know, when you're working out, it's recommended to do 3 sets. Now we're going to be moving into the next exercise, and this is a hammer curl, also working the biceps, which is the muscle in front of the arm. You're going to also want to do 12 reps, 3 sets each.
So this is the modification. This is still a bicep curl without the weights. You can certainly do this exercise and get a good workout. You just want to make sure you keep your elbows tucked in nice and tight and squeeze that bicep on the way up. Now we're going to be moving into the next exercise, and this is the overhead tricep press, and this is working the back of the arms. You know, ladies, we always want to have that nice and tight, so this is a great exercise to work the back of the arms. And now's the time to do that so you can get summertime ready to wear those nice t-shirts and tanks. And again, we'll be doing 3 sets of these exercises, 12 reps. Now we're going to move into a different variation working the triceps, and this is a tricep kickback, and this also works the back of the arms. You want to bend over slightly at the waist, bring those elbows in nice and tight, but also keep them relaxed, and then you're just going to bring those arms back, squeezing on that back motion, squeezing the back of the arms, and that's going to be working the tricep muscle. Again, 3 sets of 12 reps, 3 sets each. And now when you're done with that, take a little break, and then we'll move into the modification. And the modification is just not using the weights. Same form, keep those abs in nice and tight. And this is not the kickback, this is the overhead press. And I'm showing you the modification without the weights. And if you're going to do the kickbacks, the tricep kickbacks, you just lose the weights but maintain the same form. So guys, still working the arms and shoulders. We're going to move into alternating front lateral raises, and this will work your shoulders. And you want to make sure that you just raise your arms shoulder level. You don't want to go above the shoulder close to your head. You just want to keep it nice and even and just shoulder level. And keep your elbows nice and relaxed. You don't want to lock your elbows because that can cause injury. And again, this is working your shoulders, and you want to do 12 reps, 3 sets, and alternate them. We're going to continue working the shoulders going into an upright row. We're still doing an upright row. This is just the modification without the weights. Okay guys, you did it. You are halfway done with this workout. We are complete on the arms, the upper body portion. Now we're going to move into the lower body. And we're going to be starting off with front lunges, working our quadricep muscles. The quadricep muscles are the largest muscle group, and that is the muscle in front of your thighs. It burns the most calories. It uses up a lot of energy. So this is a great exercise to do to get your body in that fat burning mode. And again, we're going to do 3 sets, 12 reps each. And you want to make sure form-wise that your knees are not going over your toes and that you are tucking your abs in nice and tight, pulling that belly button towards your spine and making sure you are breathing. Taking a little fun break here. You always want to have fun when you're working out. And now I'm going to go into the lunges with weights. The first one I did was without the weights, and that is, guys, the modification. Now we're going to go ahead and use some weights just to make this a little bit more challenging. But again, you don't have to use the weights. The previous exercise is the modification without the weights. Okay guys, now's the time to grab some water, take a break, make sure you stay hydrated, drink plenty of water when working out. It's so important to stay hydrated so that your muscles and bones stay lubricated. Now we're going to move into side steps with the resistance band. This exercise is great for working your glutes and your outer thigh muscles. Of course, the glutes is your booty. If you want to keep your booty tight, your thighs tight, this is a great exercise to do. And boy, am I feeling the burn. Yes, it's burning. And if you feel the burn, drop a comment below. Let me know. Let me know your favorite leg exercises or exercises you like to keep your derriere nice and round. I would love to know. And also drop me a comment below and let me know what other exercise videos you would like to see. And again, guys, remember these are all beginner exercises. Yeah, I am really starting to feel the burn here. Woo-wee, feeling the burn now. Are you guys having fun? Are you guys having a great time? Let's get it. Let's move into the next exercise now. And we're going to work our booties. And this is a weighted squat. I'm using a 20-pound bar that I got from Academy. And this is a great bar to start off with. It's only 20 pounds. And if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can read all about it. And find out more information about this weighted bar. Great for a home workout piece of equipment. And again, we're doing squats, and these are I'm using the weighted bar, and I am going to do 12 reps times 3. And with the squats, you want to make sure that your nose is going between your toes, and that you are sitting back into a chair, and that your knees are not going beyond your toes. And now this is the modification. Of course, I don't have the bar. And again, form is very important. You want to keep your abs tight, that belly button, holding it in towards your spine. You want to make sure that you are sitting back in a chair, like you're pretending you're going to sit back in a chair. So bring your bottom back. And you want to make sure that your knees are not going beyond your toes, because that puts a lot of stress on the knees and that can cause injury. And you want to make sure you keep your nose in the middle between your toes. And just have fun and remember to breathe. So now we're going to be going into the standing leg curl, working the hamstring. So that is the muscle in the back of your legs. It's very important to work the hamstrings, because the hamstrings help support the muscles in your lower back and also your glutes. So it's really important to work the back of your legs. And again, that's the hamstring, and we're doing a leg curl. So you want to make sure that you're standing with your feet shoulder width apart, and then that you're just squeezing on the way back when you're curling your leg back. You want to keep your toes pointed and bring that heel towards your bottom. And again, this is called a standing leg curl, and we are working the back of our legs. And you definitely, most certainly, should be feeling the burn now. Now that we're done with the legs, the lower body, we're going to go into the abs, and I'm using an exercise ball to work on the abs. And you can use an exercise ball, or you can use a mat on the floor. The ball is good if you have lower back issues. If you do have back issues, I recommend that you use the exercise ball. It'll give you more support. And guys, before you start any exercise program, you want to make sure you check with your physician and be cleared to exercise. This video is just for informational purposes only, and I want you guys to be very careful and safe when you are working out, and make sure that you get cleared with your physician, and also that you're using proper form. So the last exercise we're going to be doing is cardio, and I'm going to be doing the treadmill. Cardio is good for your heart, lungs, and regulating your blood pressure. If you don't have a treadmill, you can do jumping jacks. It's another great way to get some cardio in, or you can do jump rope. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop me some comments below. Show me some love. like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be updated when I upload new workout videos. And guys, thank you so much for the support. Let's get it, let's stay consistent, and let's be healthy. And I will see you healthy hotties in the next video.